What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about how to use CJ dropshipping on Shopify. Now, a lot of people are using CJ dropshipping because it can ship the products automatically to your customers, and you don't even have to do that manually. Like CJ will do everything for you. And also what I like about CJ is the shipping time. That's exactly why a lot of people use CJ dropshipping. Especially like Shopify users, they are using CJ because of shipping time compared to AliExpress. Like AliExpress has some terrible shipping time. If you go to AliExpress, you will be surprised to see like the shipping time can be sometimes 20 days. And yeah, that's why a lot of people use CJ dropshipping. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you guys every single thing you need to know about how to use CJ dropshipping. Now, you have to click on register in the top right. Make sure you register, make sure you create an account on CJ. Now, after you click on, or after you create an account, as you can see, what I like about CJ, you can find different kind of products. And by the way, in this video, I'm also going to show you how you can promote your products on Shopify for free. Yes, guys, for free. And I have found the best way to do that. Okay, now as you can see, guys, you can find literally on any product. And also a lot of eBay users, they are using CJ, including eBay, Etsy sellers. But a lot of people are people that use CJ are dropshippers from Shopify, Shopify dropshippers. Those are the people that are using CJ the most. Okay, now what you need to do, like I said, after you create, guys, your account, we are going now to connect our CJ to our Shopify. Now I have created these accounts for this video specifically so that I can show you guys how you can do this. So if you appreciate this, please drop a like on this video and let's continue this. Okay, now the first thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on authorization in the top left. Okay, after you create an account, you want to click on authorization and select Shopify. Okay, now what we are going to do now, we are going to connect our Shopify store to CJ so that it will it will source the product and ship for you. You don't even have to do anything. Okay, now you want to click on add store. Okay, and click on authorize. Okay, now after you click on add store, if it take you to a different page than this, it will ask you to add your store name. Okay, if it asks you to add your store name, if it doesn't look like this, you want to go to Shopify, click on settings, and you want to copy this. Okay, this is your Shopify domain name. You want to copy it and go back and paste it there and click on add store. Okay, now after you click on add store, it will take you directly to Shopify app store. Okay, now you have to download this app. It's called CJ dropshipping. Okay, you want to click add, and you want to click on select your Gmail, and you want to click on install app in the top right. Now after, guys, you install the app, you want to click on authorize. Okay, click on frame. Now we are just trying to connect our CJ to Shopify. Okay, that's exactly what we are doing here. Do that again. Okay, all right, now we have successfully, as you can see, authorization success, and CJ will help you make dropshipping business much easier. That's true. Okay, I've tried multiple suppliers AliExpress and other suppliers, and nothing is this easy. Okay, it's not even close to AliExpress is not even close to CJ. On CJ you can find much better products, and also the shipping time is much faster, like I said. Now after you connect, guys, your Shopify to CJ, you want to scroll down and click on list now. Okay, now we have successfully linked or connected our Shopify to our CJ. Now you want to find a product here, a product that you want to add on your Shopify. For example, I just go with this. I think this product is better. Now what you need to do, you want to click on the product and scroll down and click on a list. Okay, you want to click on a list. Before you click on list, guys, you want to click on connect. Okay, click on connect. We just want to make sure that we have successfully connected our Shopify. Okay, Now you want to click on, or where it says here all stores, you want to click it and click on your Shopify store. Select here Shopify store and click on connect. All right, so I'm just going to, you want to select here the Shopify and click sync and click confirm. Okay, make sure you select here your Shopify. All right, now the next thing you want to do, guys, now we have successfully connected our Shopify to CJ. Now what you need to do, guys, next is you need to go to just go to CJ. You want to just, now we have successfully connected our Shopify. Just click on dropshipping.com at the top left, and now find any product so that we can import it to our Shopify. Click on this product, for example, scroll down and click on list. Okay, now after you click on list, guys, you want to select in the top, as you can see, I have Etsy and Shopify. You want to select here your Shopify where it says stores. Select here your Shopify. Next thing you want to do, guys, if you want to charge tax, you want to check this, but for me I don't like that. So now what you need to do, guys, the product type, you want to click on add the new and click here the product type. So AirPods, and click confirm. And the collection, I am going to add a new collection. I'm just going to add, for example, product page. Click confirm. And where it says vendor, you want to click here and just test. Okay, and then click confirm. And what you need to do, guys, next is you need to, I'm going to do that right now. Okay, just enter what you want here. Okay, these things are easy. Okay, now I'm gonna scroll down a little bit, and what you need to do, guys, next is you have to enter here your price that you are going to sell this for on Shopify. Now CJ will charge you $13 for every single time you sell this item, but for you have to charge more. For me, I would charge 25. I'm also going to show you guys, like I said, how you can promote these products. Okay, now I'm going to charge more, 25. I'm going to charge like 200 because this is a different currency. So like I said, just increase the price a little bit. After that, guys, what you need to do, guys, next is you want to select here United States, like where it says here ship my order most to, select United States, and also make sure you select here CJ packet sensitive, because it's fast. Okay, the shipping time is fast on this shipping company, this shipping method. Select this one. All right, now after you complete this, what you need to do, guys, next you want to click on list it now. Okay, and it says here listing in progress. You may check the listing status in one listing. Now we are going to list this item on our Shopify store now. Now after we list it, I'm going to show you guys how you can promote products the best way. As you can see, listed successfully. We have listed it successfully. Now you want to go to your Shopify, click on products, and as you can see, this is the product that we have listed, and you can edit this as you want. If you want to edit specifications, you want to edit something here. Now you have successfully listed the product from CJ to your Shopify. Now every time someone buys this from you, CJ will do everything for you. Isn't that amazing? Like, it will do everything for you. You just keep the profit. Okay, now of course you have to add your payment method here and stuff like that. You want to click on settings on Shopify, and then click on payments, and you have to add here your provider. Like, some people use PayPal, some people use Stripe. Now if you don't know, guys, how to add the payment method, just search on YouTube how to add payment method and come back to this video. Okay, after you add the payment method, guys, what you need to do, guys, next is you have to start promoting your products. Now you can easily promote your products using TikTok. Okay, it's organic, it's free. I use TikTok, guys. Let me show you what I do. I'm going to go to my older accounts. I'm going to search for my TikTok account. Now as you can see, this is my TikTok account, and what I do, guys, I just find that exact product. I find it on YouTube. I search for AirPods or the AliExpress. I search for the video and I post that video on TikTok, and I add the link of my Shopify. I add it on my TikTok account. Okay, you can easily add the link of your Shopify to your TikTok, and every time someone watches that video and your product and they are going to buy from you on your Shopify. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can use. If this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.